Welcome guys to the hardware set info channel. In front of me is OPPO A60 and in this video I'm going to show you how to change notification sound on this device. Alright, so firstly to do this we have to open our settings and now we have to choose sounds and vibration option, and here when we have notification tone we have to hear classic themes and we can choose whatever sound we want. We can even choose from aquamorphic themes and dynamic themes and add custom one. And basically that's it. If you enjoyed this video, you can leave like and subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.